Welcome to Wonder Facts. Discover 5 rarest animals found in the Amazon rainforest. 1. The Amazonian manatee glides through freshwater rivers, grazing on aquatic plants, and is one of the largest freshwater mammals. 2. Pink river dolphin, known for their pink hue, navigate the Amazon's winding rivers with intelligence and charm. 3. Giant otter are skilled hunters and thrive in Amazon waterways with their tight-knit family groups. 4. Goliath bird-eater spider is the size of dinner plate, is a nocturnal predator feeding on insects and small vertebrates. 5. Pygmy marmoset is one of the smallest primates. This adorable creature scurries